Hi, Lucha Leaders. Happy Monday morning, and we are ready to introduce communication key number 2 this week. And Kat is going to be helping me out with this one because it's all about using a talking voice instead of a fighting voice. And if you know Kat can get into a lot of cat fights. That's because when Kat has those hard to have feelings, maybe sometimes she's feeling a little bit jealous or feeling frustrated or just plain old mad. Kat's voice tends to get louder, tends to get meaner. Her face tends to scrunch up, and she uses what we call a fighting voice. And so we know we're all guilty of it, but we can be most effective in our communication when we calm our voice down and we use a talking voice. That means our face is a little bit calmer, our smiles come out, and we speak a little bit slower and a little bit quieter so that people are more comfortable listening to us. Sometimes, if people aren't listening to us, we might have to change it from a talking voice to a serious voice. Now, a serious voice isn't mean, it's not a fighting voice, but it is a little bit slower. Your face is serious as opposed to laughing, because sometimes if you're telling somebody, stop, 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 and you're laughing, they might not take you seriously. But if you use a very serious face, not a mean face, remember that mean face is all scrunched up, but you just have a serious face and you say, I'm serious, I would like you to stop. Then people are going to listen a little bit more, they're going to pay attention, and they're going to make sure they follow the words that you're saying. Okay, so as a review again, Kat's teaching us, we don't want to get into those cat fights. No scrunched up faces, no mean eyebrows, no loud yelling voices. When you have something to say, you're going to use your talking voice so that you get into fewer cat fights. Don't be afraid to use that serious voice if you need to, talking a little bit slower, showing your eyes that you mean business, and hopefully you will avoid all conflicts. No more problems. When Kat uses a talking voice, she gets into less cat fights. And I hope you will too, Lucha Leaders. Bye.